Welcome to Unit 5. When I was a child, I wanted to become a superhero. My favourite was Superman, with his blue costume and red cape, because he was strong, fast, and clever. He had X-ray vision, and he could fly. Did you have a favourite superhero when you were a child? This unit is all about what you can or can't do, and what you could or couldn't do when you were a child.
I can speak English, but I can't speak Chinese.
I can play the piano, but I can't sing.
When I was a child, I could swim, but I couldn't draw.
Can you play a musical instrument? In this unit, you'll read about a very talented British family. All the children, aged from 8 to 19, can play at least one musical instrument, but some of them play 3. You can watch a video about an unusual school where talented young musicians from all over the world study music and hope to become world-famous musicians one day. Vocabulary and listening focuses on words that go together. Go on holiday, earn a lot of money, and words made up of 2 nouns. Motorbike, sunglasses. Learning words in combinations can help you become more fluent. You can go online to look at the material again, practice new language, and check your progress. Have fun. See you soon.